Hey everyone, I'm going to show you really quickly on how to make a Google Sites page for your classroom. And in honor of Pi Day, I'm going to show you how to make a Pi Day web page. Alright, so as you go into Google or into your mail account, you know about the little Brady Bunch squares that are right here. You click on those, you go to Sites, and that's going to open up a new little page to you. There's the original Sites page, which I'm not too familiar with. I use the new Google Sites. I think it's a little bit easier. So you give that a click and it takes you up to here, and this is wherever whatever website you have previously made. You'll see that there's the Sandberg PE site right there, and then one that I just tested right now. So then you go to this lower right hand corner with the little plus sign that says create new sites. You give that a click, and then that opens you up into your creator where you can start adding your title, so Pi Day, and then you can change the background to anything that you would like. Maybe select an image from either a URL, from a Google search, from your library, from your album, or even maybe your own Google Drive. So I'm just going to maybe just search Google for Pi and see what comes up. Just give that a click. Now you got a nice background. You can also change the font or anything like that as well. Where this gets pretty interesting is that you can add different pages. So you can add pages like videos. So you can or student accounts or anything like that. So when you open up into the videos, you got your video tab now, you can start inputting different videos by either YouTube straight there, from your Google Drive if you have anything saved on there, or you can even embed things like this, and this URL guy will come up. So for example, I've got this little Pi video right here, and what you do is you just right click and you'll copy the enabled embedded code. Give that a little copy, and then you click it onto here right there, and you're going to see that a little preview page comes up onto here, and then you can adjust it to make sure it fits onto your page, and you'd have a nice little video in here. For example, what you could do is you could click preview, and you could see how this page would have the nice little video on here. You give that a play, and it'd start playing right there. Wouldn't even take you to a new tab, which is nice because then, especially if you're doing this on an iPad with students and stuff like that, it won't get them confused when going to new pages or anything like that. So we go back to our editor page, and I want to show you guys how to add Google Forms as well. So let's just say we make a new page and we just label this as Pi Feedback. So if you do like an internet search assignment or anything like that, you could add like a little forum into some of the spaces. So what I'm going to do is now I'm on my Pi Feedback page. I go to forums, and then if I've already created a forum, which I have for you guys, it would be probably one of the first ones that comes up for you, depending on how often you use Google Form or anything like that. All you do is give that a click and then insert, and you'd have that form right there for the students to complete right onto there, and you could make it adjust to the size for however large you want. I like to have the whole thing on there, so the kids don't have to scroll down at all. I'm not going to do that right this second. But then what's interesting too, if you want the students to be able to see the feedback, because when you do a Google form, all you get is, oh, thank you for your submission. So what you can do is that you can add the sheet of the form in there where you get to see it, so then the students will get a chance to see this as well. So for example, I go to the preview section and I can start filling it out right here. Where's your teacher? Of course, and Apple. And let's just go 3.14 just to make it nice and easy, and you can click submit. So then after that, a student would submit it. You'd be able to scroll down and you'd be able to see your responses right there. Kind of cool for the students to see, what could be on there. Other than that, a lot of other things that you can do is you can add images. So you add student photos, for example. You can change up the themes. You can add different sub pages. There's just a ton of stuff you can do. You can add your Google Calendar to constantly remind people of the feedback of when Pi Day is, for example, or different important dates. You can add charts, slides, Google Docs where students can collaborate and all that good stuff. Right here I'm going to show you my website for the PE page just to show you a little bit of what I have completed here. Okay, so I know I'm going at about 5 minutes now, so I don't want to take too much more of your time, but I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what ours looks like. So we have a home page, and we have our click links to different things that are going on in PE. So you could like click on it here. You know, you got your got our Twitter account up onto there. We've got videos of like our playground safety, our March Madness, and so you can give that a click, and it could go right to the slides that I've already sent you guys with some pictures and stuff, and also some other resources for other people to check out, for other professionals or just people that are interested in different like you know, health games and sites. So students can come onto here and learn about some other games and all that good stuff. So hopefully this video has helped you out a little bit more about Google Sites. Obviously, if you got any questions, you can let me know. I know I went pretty quick through here. So yeah, thank you very much. And yeah, right on.